3. In this video, I'll show you how to reconcile in Xero. First, open your web browser and sign into your Xero account. From the main dashboard, go to the accounting menu and select Bank Accounts. Next, choose the bank account you want to reconcile and click Reconcile. You'll see your imported bank transactions alongside suggested matches from your accounting records. Now, review each transaction carefully. If Xero finds a matching invoice, bill, or payment, verify that the details are correct and click OK to reconcile the transaction. After that, if there isn't a suggested match, choose Find and Match to search for an existing transaction, or click Create to record a new expense, receive money, or transfer funds between accounts. Next, continue reconciling each bank transaction until all imported transactions have been matched or recorded correctly. Make sure to review the transaction details before confirming each reconciliation. Finally, check that your bank account balance in Xero matches your actual bank balance. Regular reconciliation helps keep your financial records accurate and makes reporting much easier. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to reconcile in Xero. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.